Hello friends, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. As you guys have already seen, I do unbox a lot of Manchester United kits that I have purchased from Instagram sellers or WhatsApp sellers or any other local sellers. But today it will be a bit different. I would be unboxing the Manchester United jacket that I have purchased from Instagram seller, the name and description of which will I be mentioning in the section below, and also I'll be telling about him at the end of this video, so do stay tuned and let's unbox this kit. I am sorry, this is not a kit, but this is a jacket. It's to be more precise, with all the Indian customers who are willing to go for this jacket. This is not exactly a jacket, but this can be termed as a windbreaker or the wind cheater. So very light material, but it actually prevents the wind from entering. So it's a kind of a windbreaker kit of Manchester United. So it's plain white with the Manchester United logo and AON stickered to the left chest. Apart from that, Adidas sticker being red color and is stickered onto the right chest. There is the Adidas 3 stripes as black color into the left hand. On the other side, we do have it in red color. This is also heat stamped to the jersey, to the jacket. And we have an elastic handcuff. I'll show you exactly what I was meaning by a windbreaker is this particular thing. If I open it, so this is very thin material. This is very thin material, and it kind of prevents you from I wouldn't say a cold weather, but a moderate cold weather. And if you are riding a bike or you are riding or you are traveling somewhere, this jacket will come in handy, preventing you from the cold of the wind that is there in your area. So this one I have purchased from the Jersey Hub, and they have their Instagram channel, and the link of which I would be sharing in my description below. So this costed to me around $3,000. I don't know the current price of this jacket that they are currently offering. It may be a discounted price now, but this jacket I have bought a month back, so current status I am not sure about. This jacket has 2 pockets, and that pocket is also having a zipper line to it. Same on the other side. And suppose you are traveling and there is a very little cold wind with which you want to prevent your head or a slightest breeze happening in your area, then this jersey does also gives you a cap. I'm really sorry I'm repeatedly telling jersey, but this is jacket gives you a cap. So this is the cap attached with it. If you guys can see a closer look onto it, this is the cap. So my height is 5'8", and I have bought this jacket of size medium. I'll be also putting up some photos which you can refer to for the fit, but this is actually loose. It's not at all tight for me. It is actually loose. And I would recommend, if you are going for this jersey, for this jacket, buy the normal size of jersey that you actually wear. If you wear a M size jersey, then do buy the jacket of size M. If you do wear a L size jersey, then do buy a size L. So that's it about this jacket, and thank you. It would be a huge support if you guys do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.